When the lock is positioned vertically, it is not possible to remove the bag. When the lock is positioned horizontally, the bag can be removed. To set your code, carefully follow the steps shown on the screen. To lock the padlock, insert the pullers into their seats and change the combination. To open the lock, enter your code and press the button. For added security, pass the strap under the handlebars and attach the clips to the bag. For more convenient transport, attach the strap to the bag with the clips provided, so you can carry it over your shoulder. In case of rain, cover the bag with its own cover. To open the cable passage, use a cutter following the lines.